Hello and welcome to another GCSE revision video. In this video we're going to be looking at the November 2017 past paper of the AQA GCSE 8300 series. This is the third paper in the higher tier. It is a calculator paper, so we are allowed to use calculators. And we're picking up in question 9. Part A says rearrange v equals u plus at to make t the subject of the formula. Okay, well the trick with this one is to not get flustered because it's a formula. We can treat it like any equation. So all we want to do is make t the subject. So to make t the subject, t needs to be on its own and it wants to be on the left hand side. So let's start off by subtracting u from both sides, which means we get v minus u is equal to a times t. And now it seems pretty easy. All we have to do is divide both sides by a. So v minus u divided by a is equal to t. And now we've got t on its own. So all we have to do now is put t on the left. Well, it's a property of equals that if v minus u over a is equal to t, then t is equal to v minus u over a, because they're both the same. So t is equal to v minus u over a. And moving on to part B, it says complete this table with consistent metric units. So distance is measured in meters, time is measured in seconds. So speed, well, speed is distance travelled over time taken. So if distance is in meters and time is in seconds, then speed is meters per second, or meters divided by second. Now acceleration is the change in speed over time. So it's the speed divided by time, and if speed is in meters per second and time is in seconds, then acceleration is in meters per second, or meters per second squared. You could write this in index notation. You might have seen speed as ms to the power -1, which means exactly the same thing, and acceleration as ms to the power -2. Whatever floats your boat, they're both exactly the same, so any of those will work as your answer. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. If you're taking your GCSEs this year, I'd like to wish you every success with your revision and every success with your exams, and I'll look forward to seeing you in another video.